Thank you, sir. A very hot afternoon, not good afternoon. Like in the West, they say, sunny day. Oh wow, it's such a sunny day, and they love sunny days. But we don't. We just can't love sunny days. Sunny days are such a torture for us. Except, of course, if you are not playing. So, respected Registrar Sir, Professor Shamir Kumar Sheel, special guest, Professor Prasanto Kumar Das, Organizing Secretary, Professor Sudip Kumar Das, my dear students, other colleagues of Physical Education Department, Sports Board. What should I say? Okay, this is a very good opportunity that all the departments, because in a university, all the whole university is divided into faculties, then faculties are further divided into departments, disciplines. So there are so much of divisions, and each department maintains its identity, saying that मैं तुमसे बड़ा हूँ, मैं तुमसे छोटा नहीं हूँ. So we are all proud of our each department, rightly so. But then there should also come a time when something should give us an opportunity so that we all come together and exhibit our sense of cooperation, our sense of commitment, sportsmanship, being together, all these things. And this kind of an event rightly gives so. One more thing is that I would like to tell each one of you that Physical Education Department is one of the most disciplined and most, obedient and committed to their goal. This is something that we should learn from Physical Education Department students. Whenever there is, because I have been the Dean of Students Welfare for the last 3 years and a few months more. Whenever there is a crisis and you need some students who have to perform, not just perform, but do the duties, with a lot of dedication, discipline, and energy, students of Physical Education Department, they can do it, like an army regiment. Thanks to the teachers, the faculty members of the Physical Education Department, that they have mixed education and discipline in such a nice way that their students have such exemplary standards. We from other departments like humanities, like social sciences, like engineering or science students, they are maybe a little more, but social sciences and humanities, we sometimes, are not that mentally and behavior was disciplined. So that is one thing, good thing that we should learn from Physical Education Department. And this till 28th, this tournament will go on. And summer, these days are very hot. So you must drink a lot of water. Keep yourself always hydrated and exhibit sportsman spirit. Jitna harna is part of the game. Okay, someday you win, someday you lose, but eventually what should win is the sportsman spirit, right? And if we can at the end, if we can finish this tournament without any disturbances, without any clashes and things like that, then that will be an achievement. And once again, best of luck, best wishes, give your best and enjoy the game of football. Thank you.
Dr. Sudhir Das, HOD, Department of Physical Education, Dr. Prashanto Das, Dr. Shamdev, Professor Shamdev Bonik, Dean of Students Welfare, other faculty members, students, participants, ladies and gentlemen. I can feel the positive vibe from every nooks and corners, emanating from every corner of this field. I can see many teams. I have heard that 36 plus 6, 36 boys and 6 girls teams are participating in this tournament. So altogether 42.